This morning, the Sun Princess docked in Papua, New Guinea. It's the 10th of April 2011, and I'll be venturing into this little village quite shortly. Its proximity is very close to a dormant volcano. The village was destroyed entirely in 1994, and few villages remain here. Lots of tropical fruits can be found here: mangoes, bananas, pomegranates, etc. And I'm looking forward to taking my little walk into the village once again. Is now holding a betel nut, and the betel nut is one of the tropical fruits here that most adults eat because it puts you into a state of euphoria. The only problem being that you get red and orange lips and a mouth, and the teeth eventually fall out. But this is a betel nut. Kathleen, what do you think about what I just said? Do you think it's true?
Yeah.
You think it's true?
Yeah, it's true.
It's true. So you won't be having any betel nut?
No.
Okay, good girl. Why are you eating betel nut? Are you allowed to eat betel nut? Can you eat betel nut?
Yes.
You can. Can you eat betel nut?
No.
No. Can you?
Yes.
You can eat betel nut.
Yes.
Okay, you've got license to eat betel nut. I haven't had a betel nut yet, but I shall try one later on. Okay. And I've just come upon this beautiful tree now. And Kathleen, what kind of tree is this plant?
It's frangipani plant.
Frangipani plant. Have a look at this. My friends from Rabaul, and Rabaul is in New Guinea, and New Guinea is in the Bismarck Sea. There you go. And I've just bought the girl some coconuts. Are you enjoying it?
Yeah.
And do you have coconut very often here?
Yeah.
Okay. And what else do you have? What's your other favorite?
Ice block.
What was that?
Ice block.
Ice block.
Yeah.
Okay. But it's not as healthy as coconut, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. So there you go. The Coconut Day outing in Rabaul. Behind me is this volcano, which is erupted quite recently, and it's covered this whole portside town with volcanic ash. It took out the whole town in 1994, and hopefully today it doesn't erupt while the ship's berthed alongside us and in Rabaul. So I'll be going ashore shortly to take some pictures and get some souvenirs and some video footage. And you're now looking at the ash from this volcano. Just got off the ship and making my way towards the market now.
There I stood, a giant so fair, on a certain square, down the dirty stairs, to see the table set with golden chairs. Ah, to follow, 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 follow them. This world, this feeling, this girl, this